Hello again, Earthlings. Today we are going to polish this wheel. This is Kranze Wheels 18x12jj.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we
Original
made.
Japanese wheels.
Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like, oh, that's sad, 'cause I owe them people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong.
The chrome plating is still nice, but not shiny enough.
Burning, but I close my eyes. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped.
Here we can see part of the chrome plate that is peeled off.
It makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. I'm nobody.
Let's get started. First, let's remove the thin chrome plating from the lips.
The future feels so unsure.
This step is the most important because you can't polish the chrome
The
plating.
burden that you left is way too heavy for me.
Make sure to remove all the chrome plating from the lips.
My anxiety's off the roof, I cry out. We have gone too far, take me back right now. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. Everything is falling out of place.
Next step is wet sanding.
Ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. I'm nobody. I'm craving home.
This is how it looks like after sanding with 1000 grit sandpaper.
I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river stinks too much. I'm trying to let go of us, but the truth is what's really in your words.
Next step is polishing.
My darling, if I my darling,
All done. What do you think?
you're a liar. You say, my darling, rose and fire. And fire, you say, my darling, rose and fire. You're a liar. Shivers my spine so